Police Captain Gina S. Reyes. I'm grateful recognition of her presence, support, and active participation during the 35th Church Anniversary and Crusade of the Jesus Miracle Crusade International Ministry held on February 1, 2026. This certificate is presented to the 2nd Isabela Provincial Mobile Force Company through the leadership of Police Major George Maribay as a testament of her commitment to fellowship, worship, and spiritual growth, and in recognition of her participation in the said church event. Given this 5th of February in the year of our Lord 2026. Signed, Ordered Preacher Brother Danilo Portaros. So, babasahin ko na lang. Police Staff Master Sergeant Giancarlo Atienza. Police Corporal Allen de la Rosa. Patrolman Ferdinand Kawan. Police Corporal Arlene May Tagana. At Patrolman Christian Alingod. Police Corporal Honey May M. Italio. Palakpakan po natin.
Picture taking.
Picture tayo.
Hindi na tayo maya.
Ito lahat na.
Kaya mo muna. Okay, lahat na po. Siguro.